A garden is a soothing, life-affirming place, and the perfect sanctuary in which to spend time during these perplexing times. Here we provide you with inspiration to get your hands into the earth and turn your little patch into a beautiful, thriving paradise. While our sprawling backyard to roam in was once the norm, inner city living has led our gardens to slowly but surely shrink. But small garden design doesn't mean uninspiring. There is no need to say goodbye to the green, leafy paradises of our dreams when you can take a small space, such as a courtyard, patio balcony, or front yard, as an opportunity to get creative with maximizing the outdoor space available to you. Space-saving solutions such as vertical gardens, statement pot plants, and climbing vines are all perfect for pushing the boundaries of even the smallest yard. All you need is a bit of imagination and these small garden design and landscaping ideas to transform a humble patch into an urban oasis. You can add a mix of vibrant, hardy, and striking foliage of varying textures repeated in an informal way to make an inviting entry. You can also plant a layered garden of soft and gentle plants with mixed foliage textures. Consider the light at different times of year as well as different times of day. Select plants that thrive and adore those conditions. All plants can fail, they are living things, and that's why it's paramount to give them what they need and love. Layering plants of different heights and leaf sizes creates the illusion of space. A vertical canopy of leafy foliage adds drama to the side space that might otherwise have been simply a pathway, while also casting shadows and softening the heat of the sun. Tropical beauties in varying heights and foliage colors create points of interest around your courtyard, which combines our barbecue area with sitting and dining zones.